Alright, so it's 1:13. It's Friday the 23rd, I think, of January. And I'm down here by the train tracks just doing some train watching. And then I spotted this little gem here. A little tunnel somewhere right here. I've been through here before. I don't know if you can hear that echoing, but I'm actually gonna open my vent windows for this. Cops do patrol back here occasionally. I actually found that back there on accident once. Me and my dad were looking for the entrance to a junkyard back around that in the area, and we couldn't find it for shit. So. I'm going to go now. That's something everyone should do at least once if they have custom exhaust. I don't care what kind of, or actually it doesn't even matter what kind of car you own. Even if you have a stock exhaust on, you know, like a VW Bug, you have to do that at some point. So. But I hope you guys enjoyed that little mini engine revving session in a tunnel. It's the first time I've actually been able to actually do that well. In most tunnels in my area are just not long enough. But hope you enjoyed that, and see you next time.